Okay, I like these problems. They're just fun to puzzle out. Now, we've got, I'm going to start down here with this 36-degree angle. Okay, there's two things that we could do. We could find out this angle right here by saying they're corresponding, right? If we looked at this intersection and this intersection, because we have a set of parallel lines, here's a transversal, okay? So we've got one of those intersections, another one there, and these angles right here are corresponding angles. And since the lines are parallel, they're congruent. So that makes this 36 degrees as well. We also could have just said vertical angles right here and made that 36. Okay, and then these two would be alternate interior angles. Either way, we get there to 36. And we can go one further and say, if these two lines form that 36-degree angle, then this is also 36 up here. Just filling in numbers that we know. Okay? Now, both of these right here, 36 and 65, and this angle right here form this 180-degree angle. Okay? You can also see this one, this 65, 36, and this angle form 180 degrees. So what we need to do is figure out what remains here out of the 180 degrees if 65 is here and 36 is here, or 65 is here and 36 is here. So what do we get when we add 36 and 65? Well, those add up to 101. So that makes this angle 79 degrees. And you can verify that by adding those three angles together. 65 plus 79 plus 36. That equals 20. Carry the 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. And there's our 180 degrees. Okay? And since that angle, that 79-degree blue angle, is a vertical angle with Q, we know that Q also measures 79 degrees. Okay, so the measure of angle Q equals 79 degrees. Oops. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, find the measure of angle G, and we know that these two lines, P and it looks like R is cut off of this. Sorry, this diagram, I don't know where it went to. That should be R right there. Okay, line P is parallel to line R, and so we know certain things like if we know that this angle is 44 degrees, we know that this is 44 degrees as well because they are vertical angles, since that's always true. And here, we know that these alternate interior angles are congruent when the lines are parallel. So that's equal to 44 degrees as well. And so is G then, 44 degrees. Okay? So we could have gotten there multiple ways. We could have just said from here to here, these are corresponding, so that's 44, and these are vertical. We could have done it multiple ways. We could have said here and here, these are vertical, and now immediately these are corresponding. We didn't have to go to the alternate interior angles and then the vertical angles. But either way, gets us there, and so we know that the measure of angle G is equal to 44 degrees. One more on this video. Okay, find the measure of angle P. This one's a little bit more fun because there's multiple things going on here. Okay, but we've got two sets of parallel lines, G and H, and J and K. So I'm going to fill out what we know. Okay, and actually I'm going to do it in the shortest possible steps. I'm going to say that if this is 130 degrees, then this corresponding angle right here, also 130 degrees. Okay? And because that angle of 130 degrees and P are same side interior angles, okay, they're in the interior of lines J and K, and they are on the same side of G. Same side interior angles are supplementary when the lines are parallel, and so this is 50 degrees, and so that we know that the measure of angle P equals 50 degrees. Done.